So this is Kemi. I've been talking about Kemi ever since. This is the amazing and incredible Kemi. She brought me to come and have a +1 number.
God! Wow!
I am done. No, I have my +1 phone number.
Welcome to my channel, and if it's your first time here, I am Oisak Tanku.
Please subscribe to join the family. Like, share, comment so we evolve together.
It's like 5 a.m. here and I couldn't sleep. I slept though. I slept very early. I slept maybe like 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. My body is still trying to jet lag, perhaps. My first day in my apartment. Oh, this place is cold. It is like chilling cold. I just wanted to show you my apartment, how it looks like at the moment. Hopefully, I get my own bed. I get room heater, very important, because damn, this place is cold. And I heard it's going to get colder. So before it gets colder, I need to like make all the arrangements I can make. Yeah, I've seen some heater on Facebook Market, but let me check the price of a new one on Amazon. If the price difference is not much, or if it's actually the same thing, I think I'd rather buy from Amazon because it will be new, return policy, and I'll be having free shipping. Guys, the sun is out and it's like 8 a.m. right now, but come on, see the sun is giving. So I have an appointment at the bank for 11 a.m. and after that I'll be going to where I'll be doing my internet. I think I'll be doing the internet and the phone line thing together, but I'm not sure about that. Then after that I'll be going to pick up my bed. Yep. And after that I'll be going to Walmart. This is the first time I'm going to Walmart ever in my life. So I'll be going to Walmart to get some kitchen utensils and few things I would need. I'll carry you along. The thing is, there's no NEPA to embarrass me that my phone is low, even though me I don't like charging. But pretty much that's what I'll be doing. I forgot to tell you something. So yesterday, right, my friend told me about this amazing man. She gave me his phone number. He's part of International Student Bible Fellowship or something. Yeah. So what they do is like they help international students with moving around. Like when you have a car and in this winter, they help you go around and do all your work around. So I sent him a text message asking him I'll be needing help. I'm an international student from Nigeria. I need to go do this, blah 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 blah, what I mentioned earlier. How to get an American phone number. So if you're gonna call me, it's going to be +1. So this is Kemi. I've been talking about Kemi ever since. This is the amazing and incredible Kemi. She brought me to come and have a +1 number. I am done. No, I have my +1 phone number. Thanks to Kemi for bringing me here. T-Mobile. Yeah. Walmart for the first time in my life.
Okay.
Hey, Americana. I got this cup. Yep, I got this cup. I got this plate, this warm big bowl, this plate, this bowl. This thing about the knife, I don't know why their knives are expensive. Yeah, knife, $30, $50, $60, $14, $13 for one knife. That's how I now saw this knife for 97 cents. Yeah, when I saw it, I rushed. I was happy. See knife, but see what I got.
Jesus is Lord.
I got this pot. I think it was like for $5. This is the pot I got from Walmart. I got this pot for $27, and this is what it looks like. Today was fun. Like all the places I went to, international students, I'll be like, yes. I'll be like, oh, which country, with my green passport. And for almost everything I was going to do, I did. I had to go with my passport, my I-20, that's a document from the school, my home, my lease form, something. Yeah, I had to like hold them. So Nigerian, say yes. So I be Naija. I know carry last call mom. I called my landlord to come and collect his house rent, so he came. I gave him the money, so I was supposed to pay him extra $20 so that we get quarters, that's like coins, for the washing machine. So I had like just $20 something with me. I now told him that I have just $20 something with me at the moment, so maybe I would get the quarters later on. After we checked the money and everything, he now asked me, do I need stools for, look at them, for the kitchen area dinner outside? I said yes. He brought them for free, and he brought the 20 quarters for me and told me that I can pay him whenever I have the money. This thing, like, I'm just surprised, and I'm so thankful to God, because this is literally God. Jesus, thank you, and God bless you, Mr. Steve. This is my mattress. I got my mattress today. So I was going to actually buy this small student kind of mattress, but Mr. Ron was like, hey, why would you buy this small mattress? You cannot afford to be lying on that particular type of mattress for 2 years. 2 years is a long time for you to be very uncomfortable. That was what he told me. Get a bigger mattress. And I did, which I'm very thankful to God for.